Organizing your references in EndNote will help you find the citation information you need easily. You can organize references any way that works for you, such as by topic, by class, or even for each research paper or project. In EndNote, you can organize references by creating groups. To create a group, go to Groups from the toolbar and click Create Group. Then name your group something that's appropriate. You'll want to make sure that whatever you name your group, that it makes sense to you and is distinguishable from other groups you may create. You can then move imported references into the appropriate group. The first place you may want to look is under Unfiled or All References. To move references into a group, select the references you want and then drag and drop them into a folder. And we can click the folder and see that we have the references here. You can also select a reference, right-click, and choose Add References To, and then choose the group you want to add it to. Another option is to go to the Groups tab, and again, add references to and pick the group. Or you can just copy and paste them into the group that you want. To stay organized, it is suggested to move the references into the appropriate group when you first import them into EndNote, but you can't always do it afterwards if you forget. References can be copied to multiple groups. The easiest way to do this is to just select the references you want and copy and paste them into the group you want. References can be deleted from a group by right-clicking the reference and then selecting Remove Reference from Group. And it says, do you want to delete? And it lets you know that this reference will not be deleted from your library, only the group that you're choosing. This can be helpful if you have a reference in multiple groups. To delete a reference from your library, you can drag and drop into the trash, or you can right-click and send to the trash this way as well. If you by accident send something to the trash you didn't want to, you can restore it. So to restore, click the reference that you want, and then you can restore selected references to your library. The little trash can with the arrow next to one with the X. And now it'll be back in your library. The USF libraries have a web page on EndNote that will help you learn more about using the software. To learn more, please go to the web page or check out the other videos in this series.